Brazing is a method used to join two metal pieces together using a filler metal at very high temperatures, typically above 840 degrees Fahrenheit, 450 degrees Celsius. In HVAC systems, brazing is mainly used to connect copper pipes, ensuring they can handle high-pressure refrigerant without leaking. You can think of brazing as super-strong soldering, because the joint becomes extremely durable, vibration-resistant, and leak-proof. 1. Copper-to-copper joints. This is the most common connection in air conditioning systems. We typically use phos copper rods, sometimes containing 5% to 15% silver. These rods are self-fluxing, which means you usually do not need additional flux. 2. Dissimilar metal joints, copper to brass or steel. When joining different metals, you must use a high silver brazing rod along with brazing flux. Flux prevents oxidation and helps the filler metal flow smoothly, creating a strong bond. Brazing is essential in HVAC because the system operates under high pressure and varying temperatures. A weak joint can cause refrigerant leaks, system failure, and expensive repairs. Brazed joints provide excellent strength, leak-proof connections, resistance to vibration, long service life. That is why professional HVAC technicians always prefer brazing over basic soldering. Safety should always be your #1 priority when brazing. 1. Wear eye protection. Always use safety goggles to protect your eyes from sparks and bright flame. 2. Ensure proper ventilation. Brazing produces fumes, so always work in a well-ventilated area or use a fan. 3. Prevent fire hazards. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and use a heat shield or wet cloth to protect surrounding surfaces. 4. Use nitrogen purging flow, dry nitrogen at low pressure inside the pipe to prevent oxidation and black soot formation. 5. Handle pipes. Carefully remember, copper pipes stay hot for a long time. Always use pliers or allow them to cool before touching. Always clean the pipe before brazing. Dirt or oil can weaken the joint. Heat the fitting evenly. Never focus the flame in one spot. Do not overheat the copper, or it may burn and become brittle. Allow the filler metal to flow naturally into the joint. Remember, good brazing is not about more heat, it's about controlled heat.